How to post SoundCloud music on Instagram story with sound. So if you want to post SoundCloud music to your Instagram story, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with search for SoundCloud, and then go with soundcloud.com. On your soundcloud.com, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you need to just select any music that you're comfortable with. After that, just click on the music. It will take you to this kind of interface. And here you'll have the share option right here. You can go with share, or you can also go with share, which is right here. You can also go with copy link. So once you go with share here, you can also shorten the link if the link is too long. And after that, copy the link. And after copying, you can open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you can go with your story. And after that, paste that link on your story and post it. That's how you can post your SoundCloud music to Instagram story with sound. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.